So Sephora decided that they wanted to show us a little bit of appreciation and hit us with an appreciation sale. So I was like, you know what, cool, because I already have the things in my cart, so you just tell me what date and how much and I'm already there. Hello, Chi-Chi here and welcome back to my channel. You guys already know the drill. Hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you know every time I upload a video. So for the sale, I was really focused on skincare. I didn't get any makeup at all. I got a few beauty tools, but nothing major. There were a few things that I did want makeup related, but I've just been so overwhelmed with makeup, it's not even funny. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take a chill with the whole makeup and just focus on skincare. So I got a couple of tools, starting off with the Beauty Blender in the sapphire color. I strictly got this because it's blue and it's my favorite color. That's why I ended up getting this, so nothing serious or crazy here. So I ended up getting the Sephora Colorful Waterproof Eyeliner. I really do like this. I have it in black. Well, I have it in black. You know, sometimes you don't want to wear black. So I got the color number 13, which is Tiramisu. I would swatch it for you, but they've got this plastic wrap on here so tight, I'm not even going to attempt it with nails. But I ended up getting this. I also ended up getting the ABH 7B brush for the brows. I'm trying to get my brow makeup life together, and I've heard really good things about this brush, so I wanted to try it. I picked up the SHISEIDO cotton pads. Now, if you've never tried these, I'm gonna tell you right now, once you try these, you will never go back to regular cotton pads that you get from your drugstore. I'm telling you right now, this is literally the softest cotton I've ever felt on my skin. So I was like, yes, I'm getting these. These are so good. Everyone who talks about it, raves about it. They're $10, and I know you're like, girl, you're just throwing them out every day. I understand that, but the feel of it is so luxurious. I'm just like, ooh, it's literally super soft on your skin. Like, you'll never turn back. So I had to re-up on this. All right, getting down to business in the skincare. I had to re-up on a few products, and some are pretty new. So you already know my fresh Soy Face Cleanser. Hands down, absolutely love this cleanser. But I really love it when I take off my makeup. I've been trying to, you know, figure out a few different things for skincare, and I find that because this is so expensive, I just want to leave it for makeup days when I want to get a nice, clean, refresh feel. So I ended up repurchasing this. I also ended up repurchasing the Belif Aqua Playland Kit. Now, this one is, the packaging is a little bit smaller than it was from last year, but I believe the items are still the same. You already know from my previous Sephora haul, it came with the same items. You have your Aqua Bomb, you have your eye cream, and you also have your Hungarian essence. And I absolutely loved it. And when I saw that they had this again, I was like, boop, add to cart, because it's really good. I'm gonna do a review on the items because, yeah, I have a lot to say about them. So you wanna look out for that. Next, we have the NEOGEN Green Tea Cleanser. I really, really wanted to try this. I've been on a K-beauty kick, and I've been seeing a lot of this floating around. So I wanted something in the morning to just lightly refresh my skin and not necessarily do like a deep cleanse or anything like that. So I wanted to give this a try. I've used NEOGEN before. I love the little lemon chemical pads. Oh, I freaking love those. So I wanted to try this, and yeah, I hope this is pretty good. We'll see how this is. Up next, I got the Tatcha Deep Cleanse, and I got the water cream. Now, see, the girl at Sephora set me up. Here's what happened. Prior to the sale, I saw that they had the travel size. So I'm like, okay, this is cool. Didn't even purchase it. I got up to the cashier and she's like, girl, you should buy that. And I'm like, what are you talking about? She's like, no, it's really, really good. Girl, it's like, get it. She was like, at least it's the mini size. If you hate it, you only spent $25 and not all of this. So I was like, okay, cool. Biggest mistake of my life, because now I'm sitting here with both of these full size. The cleanser, absolutely love. And since winter is coming up, yes, I'm talking about winter, I wanted to try the cream version, see if it gives me a little bit more moisture. This was my splurge, okay? So I wanted to buy it when it's 20% off because I can always do the cleanser probably, but the water cream, child, I can only purchase that, you know, during the sale. It's nope. Nope. The next product is also from Belif, and this is the Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. The reason why I purchased this is because when I do my AHA, BHA like peels, I wanted to wear something a little bit more moisturizing than just your regular moisturizer, you know? I wanted something a little bit more penetrating, moisturizing, everything like that. So because I have such a fantastic experience with the Belif Aqua Bomb, I figured I'd give this one a shot. Something else that I've used before, I absolutely love, but I see it in the kit, so I'm gonna buy a kit. And this is the Estée Lauder Repair Renew Kit. The reason why I bought this is because I absolutely love the Advanced Night Repair serum that's in it, but that serum is expensive. So I saw this kit. It came with 2 other items. It comes with a eye cream and a cell power cream. Okay. I saw this kit and I was like, let's give it a try, because the main thing I really wanted was the serum. So I ended up picking this up. Another brand that I've been, you know, kind of investigating is Laneige. Now, Laneige, I only tried the lip sleep mask, which I am in love with. And I saw this little kit and it had a few items in it. This kit has a moisturizing foaming cleanser, a toner, an essence, a moisture cream, and a water sleeping mask. So I was like, this was a pretty good value. I think it was like $25 maybe, but to try 5 different products, I was like, okay, let's give this a whirl. You know, I really like getting small kits like this because I don't have to commit to a full size and I can try multiple items. So we'll see how this one goes. Last but certainly not least, I ended up getting yet another kit. You know I love my kits. And this is the Saturday Skin No Bad Days kit. I believe this is an online Sephora exclusive, but I wanted to try it because almost all of the reviews that I saw were positive. So I was like, you know what, let's give this a go. This kit comes with a peel gel, a essence mist, an eye cream, and a moisturizer. So yeah, a kit that has basically all positive ratings. I wanted to try it. I needed to try it for myself. So yeah, I ended up buying it. So that's everything that I purchased during the Sephora Appreciation Sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know in the comment section whether you purchased any of these items. I need to know the gaga, okay? Let me know, are they good or not? So let's have a conversation down there. So I'm gonna get out of here. Hope you guys have a fantastic day and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.